Hello, today I will show you how to replace an old fuse in your house, a ceramic fuse. So first of all, you'll need a new fuse and you'll be sure to check what it says on the ampere. So this 10A, if it should be 10 or 15 or 5 or something. When you have done that, you'll have to change it. And you do that by turning off the power, and then you'll just simply turn this one out. And you just take this one up here and then put the new one in. And then we'll screw this one in again. And you can turn on the power again. That's all.